Meaning of Internationale.
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 Internationale. Internationale is a French word, which means international in English. It refers to an international anthem that has been used as a song of the socialist and labor movement since the late 19th century. The song represents the idea of workers of the world uniting to overthrow capitalism and establish an international socialist system. It has been translated into many languages and is still widely sung in various contexts, including political demonstrations and workers' rallies.